Hey guys, it's R here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. It is Thirsty Thursday, October 16th, 2025. It's 2 minutes to the open. This is the daily frame. We have inside day, inside day, inside day, bullish body, marginal on the Dow, but bullish body on the S&P and on the Nasdaq. A few minutes ago, we were attempting to break yesterday's high on the Nasdaq, but anything's possible here on the open. This is my trading grid, guys. Daily 30 and the 1 minute chart, sometimes a 30-second chart under fast market conditions. My 30-minute time frame is my zone time frame, support and resistance, really basic stuff. A child could do this. There's a turbo zone or clean traffic up above, a naked body right there. And we have a turbo zone way down here below with a naked body and a gap move from back on the weekend, if you remember. And we are grinding around here, guys. This is Asia pushing up into London, and now we are near this key zone from yesterday in New York and rounding down just a little bit for now. A very similar picture here on the S&P 500, guys. And so these two markets are very much in sync for the time being. And there's the 1 minute open range, guys. On the Nasdaq, we are looking at about 32 points, give or take. On the S&P, 4.5 points, not very big at all. Dropping down to the 30-second chart here, guys. I feel like we have fast market conditions here for a moment. So we have a bullish body, guys, but inside day, turbo zone up above, and a naked body. These can act as magnets. Nothing for me to do yet. Going to be very patient here and let things play out. I want to see synchronicity between these two sisters before even contemplating doing anything here today. Pushing up a little bit here, guys. Not doing anything here, guys. In fact, I want to see a break and close into this next turbo zone, and that means in 26 minutes and nothing before. And we've got a little bit of micro divergence happening here, guys, with the NASDAQ above the open range, S&P basically below the open range. On the 1 minute chart, guys, you will see the Globex Open and the Asian Open basically at the same level. And then we have the London Open above, and then we have the New York Open range just above that, stacked open ranges. I'm going to be waiting for a break and a close into this clean traffic range and doing nothing before, even though this could be tempting. Just grinding around here, guys. My dynamic open range would now include all of this. And for those who are new, my dynamic open range is based on expanding structure without an entry signal or reason to enter. And so I use the 1 minute open range as a starting point. That's just a place to begin, kind of a benchmark or a guidepost, if you like, a basic starting point, and then building out from there. In this case, including the London open range and including that spike above, this drop below here in the pre-market, and so on. Nothing for me to do here, guys. I want to wait for that 30-minute candle to close above into that zone. This zone right here, it's 14 minutes to go still. Waiting 12.5 minutes here, guys. I'm just going to put you on pause and bring you back. All right, guys, I'm back. And as you can see, we are just chopping and grinding around here, really going nowhere here today. And even if we did start to make a move, I wouldn't be able to trust it given the chop and grind and the tempo and the lack of rhythm in this market. There's a lot of confusion going on here. And so I'm going to call it a day here, guys. And I will see you tomorrow for Freaky Friday. Thanks for being here. Take care. We'll talk soon.